Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Office 365 offline installer, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the Microsoft Office 365 offline installer, start by visiting the official Microsoft website. Go to the Office page by searching for Microsoft Office 365. Sign in to your Microsoft account with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the prompts. Once signed in, navigate to your Office products. Look for the section that shows your available Office subscriptions. Click on the Install button next to the Office 365 subscription you want to download. A prompt will appear, providing options for installation. Select the language and version that fits your requirements. Before proceeding, click on the link that says Install Information. This link will provide details about the offline installer. If your organization allows, you may have an option for the offline installer. Check the system requirements to ensure compatibility. Download the offline installer link from the details provided. The file will usually be in .exe format for Windows or .package for Mac. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your device. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to install Office 365 offline. Enter your Microsoft account information when prompted. Complete the installation by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch any Office application to activate your subscription. Ensure you are connected to the Internet for activation. Once activated, you can use Microsoft Office 365 offline. Your offline installer is now ready to use without any further downloads. Enjoy your full suite of Microsoft Office 365 applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.